Welcome to the demo, where we will showcase the power of Titan's integration with Salesforce. Titan's special ability to be able to push data to your CRM and pull it back in real time using no code. First up, we demo some of Titan's key push capabilities before moving on to the platform's ability to pull data back from Salesforce. With Titan, you can push data to Salesforce to perform a number of actions, including creating a record, updating or creating a record, or deleting a record. For demonstrative purposes, we will showcase how to update or create a record in a simple web form. You can choose to update a record for your Salesforce action instead of creating a new one. Navigate to your Salesforce integration window. Click the edit icon next to your created push. Use the action drop-down to select update. If Salesforce finds multiple matches, you can choose which record you want to update. If Salesforce does not find a match, you can create a new contact. Create a condition to ensure the correct record is updated. Next, you need to map your fields. Any information you provide will be sent to Salesforce. When a user completes the form and provides an email that matches an existing contact, any information they provide that does not match the current Salesforce data will be updated. Please note, you can also perform bulk updates for Salesforce using Titan. Salesforce Get. Leveraging Titan, you can also pull data from Salesforce into your project. In this demo, we will showcase this capability via a power table, Titan's version of a multi-object hierarchical editable data table. Add a power table and choose your source. In this demo, it will be an object account, but it can also be a report or Apex. Next, choose a limit as to how many records will be brought from Salesforce. Set conditions stating what kinds of accounts you want to bring from your CRM. When you create a power table in Titan, you can see that a get is created automatically, including all the conditions you set. You can also add a child get, such as a contact, and pull all this information automatically from Salesforce into your power table.